Wat je remedie voor die pijn wat ik hier maak? Spanje onze wat leren niet krijgen, ja. Is het nodig om een kindje te raken? Hier waar ik groeit raak.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Ik heb gedumpt dat ik het niks maar uit alles. Ik mis mijn dollar elke dag, voel alsof ik mal is. Hij was uniek, ik was uniek, hij was mij alles. Dus ik kom met wijzen hier niet direct dat ik het alles. Ik weet zo wat, dus ik zie nu pijn, ik ken aanvangen. Ik weet zo klaar, ik zie nu pijn, ik ken aanvangen.
Yo, it's your favorite white boy reactor from the boy.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
What's good, familia? I hope you guys are having a blessed one. I hope you guys are having a good. I know you guys have missed me because I have missed you guys a lot. I have missed doing this thing, I have missed doing the reactions. It's just very hard sometimes when there's like no privacy around you. Because like as soon as I do a reaction, there's someone walking around or there's someone luring in my room looking, what am I doing?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
I just don't like that, man. But don't worry, I didn't forget about you. I didn't forget about doing the actions like I need to, because you know this is what I love to do. So, you know, today we're gonna have to react to something that's been on the waiting list for a long time. This is one of those tracks that deserve a reaction. And I'm not just saying that because we're doing reactions today. I'm saying that because this track, the message in this track and like the way that these Owens like put that like heart into that melody that they like putting into this track, ne? It's just something else, bro. This is like a generational track, ne? I know Sasso Flat has been in the industry for a long time already, and Ethan Stolz, he just came into the industry recently, and Joyce just came into the industry recently. But these guys, with this track that they released, ne? I know you might say that Cecil Flat has better songs, or Ethan Stolz has better songs, that Joyce has better songs, but the fact that these three Owens, ne, came onto this track, one track, these three remarkable Owens came onto one track to drop a track it's going to be like remembered all over in the streets, go. Because I bet you this track is going to be remembered in PE, bro, for what this track represents. Because this track Remedy, go, sure, bro. This is something else. And I can't wait for you guys to check it out if you haven't checked it out. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the 4 Books reactions, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, man.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We gotta get to 420 subscribers. We're on finally 138 go. Just as almost 200 go. Then we're on the way to 420. My favorite number. Oh yeah, I got my 420 juice right here. I got my booster right here. You know, all of you guys have to drink scores and shit for your reactions. Me, I smoke a joint and then I am sorted. I'm doing Gucci. So, oh wait. This is going to be an interesting one, go. And I'm so excited for this one. So let me not talk anymore. Let me not say anything because we know it's going to be a banger. So let me see if it's going to be a banger. Even though I know it's going to be a banger. But anyways, let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. I love this beat, go. This is like one of those beats, man, that get you like emotionally prepared for the track. It's like one of those beats that like you listen to it, then you know this track is going to be something hard. You know there's going to be a fire track just by this beat. Because you can't have a beat like this and mess it up or flop, go. No, you can't have a beat like this and still flop, bro. So, you know it.
Wat je remedie voor die pijn wat ik hier maak? Spanje onze wat leren niet krijgen, ja. Is het nodig?
I love this man's voice, bro. Nah, Joyce is like one of the top singers, like upcoming at the moment. I must say that his voice is just so unique, bro. It's so like naturally nah, bro. I don't know how to explain.
Tido, I see boertje en I see kalle daimi, bro.
About this man's voice, bro. But yeah, let's hear what this man's got to say though.
Wat je remedie voor die pijn wat ik hier maak? Spy ons wat lê in die graveyard.
What's the remedy for the pain that I'm going through? What's the remedy for this pain that I'm going through? There's so many Owens laying in the graveyard. Yo, you already came in like that, my bro. Nah, Joyce, you can't come in like that on this track, my bro. Because that's like telling me already that this track is going to be something else. That is like just warming me up for the rest of this track, oh. Nah, this chorus is goated. I must say, this chorus is goated. Now this voice.
Wat is die remedy vir die pyn wat ek deurmaak? Spy ons wat lê in die graveyard. Is dit nodig om 'n gangster te raak? Hier waar ek groot raak.
So many people laying in the graveyard. It's so hard to carry this cross, to carry this Christ. Christ is cross, or is Christ mean like coffin? Like it's so hard to carry this coffin of this brother that passed away now. I think he's meaning like when he says that, I know he's talking about the northern streets and stuff, all the children and the people that are dying by gunshots or dying by stuff that they weren't planning on, or like not natural causes and bones. But I feel like he's actually talking about his bras, because when he says that, I'm thinking like he's carrying his bras caskets and stuff at the funeral, like putting him down to like when you guys are about to do the ceremony, you know, and you have to walk with the coffin to put him down and walk with him out and shit. I feel like that's what he's meaning. Like he's talking about his bras and he had to carry his bras crosses. That was very hard. Damn, go.
Wat is die remedy vir die pyn wat ek deurmaak? Spy ons wat lê in die graveyard. Is dit nodig om 'n gangster te raak? Hier waar ek groot raak. Hier gaan baie uit vir kinders op die straat. En as so baie kinders wat honger gaan slaap.
This man's voice, bruh. Sus.
Is dit nodig om 'n gangster te raak? Hier waar ek groot raak. Hier gaan baie uit vir kinders op die straat.
Vader J moet groot raak. Yep, vir die Vader J moet groot raak. See, I fuck with this, bro. So I know it's gonna be a banger because this message is already coming through, bro. It's already shining through the fucking song.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So we catch it.
En as so baie kinders wat honger gaan slaap. Niemand gee om, sê my hoe gaan dit beter raak?
There's too many kids going to sleep, mate. There's too many kids going to sleep hungry. There are too many kids that are suffering here on the streets and shit, and nobody cares. Nobody's caring about these street children, bro. And that is so sad, because us as a community, us as a PE, né, we should like, I know one person can't do everything, as like San said, one man can't do everything, but if we all stand together, we can do something, we can make a change.
Say man, ja guys, nee, laat ons focus, laat ons koppel, laat ons mekaar bystaan, man. As die tyd vir afbreek, ek is hier om te bou, klein tot groot. Ek is nie beter as jy nie, jy is nie beter as ek nie. Een mens kan nie alles doen nie, maar almal kan iets doen. Laat ons bou. Hier zijn mense.
I feel like, I know money is very scarce in Bowens, but I feel like if a group of people had the same idea what I'm about to face, then we could really like change something. Like my plans in the future, I'm not rich. I'm admitted I'm not a rich person, but one day I'm going to build houses and shelters and stuff for homeless people. Get homeless people in there. If they drugs and shit, let them go to rehab in that same facility in Bowens. Get them clean, get them washed, get them a new outfit, clean outfit and all that, and then try and get them work. Do what you can, do what I can to help them get work. Now that's what I wish like myself and a group of people that have that same idea could do, because I feel like we, myself and a number of people, could take each and every hobo and homeless person off the street and do something great for them. I feel like that can be possible. Our kids and the people, our kids and the future generation coming doesn't need to live in this poverty and cock. We have the ability to make a change, but what are we doing to make a change?
Facts! It's facts!
That's why I like music, because music inspires things like this, bro. This is why I thought about this now because of what Sesso just said. I mean, of what Joyce just said.
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
Eerder by uit vir kinders op die straat. En as op by jou kinders wat honger gaan slaan. Niemand gee om, sê nie, hoe gaan dit beter raak?
Luister, soveel rus en vrede slyk die guys het niks geweet is. Hy skiet jou tot die sien om gun het niks meer bullets sien.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Ek weet
Shit, Sesso. Yo, your boodskap is deep, my bro. But that is facts though. It's facts though. What did you say?
Niemand gee om, sê nie, hoe gaan dit beter raak?
Luister, soveel rus en vrede slyk die guys het niks geweet is.
So many of us going to bed afraid. So many Owens, so many of our generation, the younger generation of Owens, in the northerns. It's a sad thing, but it's the sad truth. The Owens and the children, majority of the children are scared to go to sleep at night because they're scared of what's going to happen at night, you know. If someone's going to break in and shoot them dead, or bullets are going to come flying through their house or something, bro. Never know the possibilities of what can happen in the hood, if you're like staying in the hood, living in the hood as a child. And that's a sad thing. I wish it wasn't like that, but it's a sad truth. But
Skiet jou tot die sien om gun het niks meer bullets sien.
and like just what I said about the shooting bones, ne? Yo, the Sesso just said now, they will shoot you dead until there's no more bullets in the gun. They will literally empty a clip out on you, my bro. So watch out who you trust and be careful about your surroundings. It's yeah, go. This track is so deep, bro. I don't care what people say about Sesso Flat. This man is a goat. Man's a poet.
Weet en sê
Niemand gee om, sê nie, hoe gaan dit beter raak?
luister, soveel rus en vrede slyk die guys het niks geweet is. Hy skiet jou tot die sien om gun het niks meer bullets sien. Ek weet eens het ek nog in 'n gemeen gevoelens sien van elke naweek is dit begrafnis in my community.
Enough to make a grown man cry.
Sis, I don't know if I have any more feelings inside of me. I don't know if I have emotions or anything inside of me. I think like he doesn't think he can be happy again and shit because every single week or every single day he said there's a someone getting buried in his community. There's always a body going down in his community, bro. That's a sad fucking shit, bro. Owens, don't let me get too political here, bro. Because I'm gonna tell you everything of what happened in apartheid. Why?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
The Northerns is why it is.
Slyt is meeste van die tyd. Als wat ek verloor het sal ek weer bereik. Baie keer geflop in my verlede tyd gaan sê.
This is why I say so flat, my bro. Because he preaches the Vare. You know what he says? And it's children most of the time that are doing this shit, bro. Because they are growing up in this surroundings and bones, thinking that being a gangster is cool, thinking that owning a gun is cool, thinking that you have to be a gangster to make a way in life and all this. No, bro. It is like there's a bigger picture to life than what you see in your community and Bowens, bro. You can save your community and save your area if you just had your gedagte right, my bro. That's fact.
Ek weet eens het ek nog in 'n gemeen gevoelens sien van elke naweek is dit begrafnis in my community. Ja, as lyk dis meeste van die tyd.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Means that the bodies that are being buried every week in his community and stuff is children most of the times, bro. It's the children and shit that are dying the most in our communities and Bowens. That is so sad, bro.
Als wat ek verloor het sal ek weer bereik. Baie keer geflop in my verlede tyd gaan sê maar vir die gatekeepers hulle kan nie deure sluit. Damn! Die Here het my gebless nou is ek vir ewig ryk. So mors ek die talent gaan ek vir God in die ges.
Yes, my bro. Yes, my bro. Ek vat. Even though you're talking about all of this, Bowen, you're still mentioning about God. You're still talking about God. Ek vat.
Dis meeste van die tyd. Als wat ek verloor het sal ek weer bereik. Baie keer geflop in my verlede tyd gaan sê maar vir die gatekeepers hulle kan nie deure sluit. Die Here het my gebless nou is ek vir ewig ryk. So mors ek die talent gaan ek vir God in die gesig invat. En een ding wat ek weet dit wat hy gee kan hy terug ook vat en hy wil gaan nie.
If he has to waste his talent that God gave him and shit, he's gonna look at God in his face Say what? And say what, Sesso?
Ek weet eens het ek nog innige meer gevoelens sien van elke naweek is het begrafnis in my community en ja, as lyk dis meeste van die tyd. Als wat ek verloor het sal ek weer bereik. Baie keer geflop in my verlede tyd. Gaan sê maar vir die gatekeepers, hulle kan nie deure sluit. Die Here het my gebless, nou sê ek vir ewig ryk. So mors ek die talent, gaan ek vir God in die gesig invat. En een ding wat ek weet, dit wat hy gee, kan hy terug ook vat en hy wil gaan die oulik lykie.
I know what God gave me. He can take it back. That I fought with my bro. That you understand that, Bowens. I respect you that you understand that, Bowens. That whatever blessing God gave you, and if you like take that, Bowens, for granted, like you waste your talent in Bowens. If you take your talent for granted and stuff, ne, God can take that away, bro. This is why I say thank God every single day. Thank God in every moment, in every opportunity, in every downfall, in every upbringing. Just thank God in every single moment, and your life is going to be picture perfect.
So maak die music wat die motivate. Van bro die straat het genoeg tsotsies. So ek wil die leites net oortuig as genoeg opsies.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Soek ek vas man. Afkom.
Sesso flat, my bro. Stop. We understand you want to bring a message, my bro, but you don't have to bring a whole dictionary worth of a message, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
God damn. Yo, this man says he doesn't make music, it doesn't motivate people because our street has enough Tutsis. We have enough homeless people, we have enough fuck-ups on the street and shit. But I'm not saying anything bad about them. I'm saying that Sesso's music motivates those Owens on the street in Bowens as well. I know he never said that, but I know he meant that as well. There's Owens on the street in Bowens, Tutsis and stuff that also are influenced by him. But I know that's not what he means, but I know that.
Op in my verlede tyd gaan sê maar vir die gatekeepers, hulle kan nie deure sluit. Die Here het my gebless, nou sê ek vir ewig ryk. So mors ek die talent, gaan ek vir God in die gesig invat. En een ding wat ek weet, dit wat hy gee, kan hy terug ook vat en hy wil gaan die oulik lykie. Sasso maak die music wat die motivate. Van bro die straat het genoeg tsotsies. So ek wil die leites net oortuig as genoeg opsies. Soek ek vas man. Afkom die lekkers bos aan nobody sny gras man. Maar asseblief, bly weg van die drugs man.
Wat is die remedy vir die pyn wat ek dier maak?
I fuck with this man. Nee, this is a certified banger for the books. Nee, guaranteed certified banger for the books. Nee, this is beyond hard. Go. This is what I talk about. This is what I mean when I say you must bring a boodskap in your message. This is the type of music that I like. This is the type of music that I listen to every single day. Now you always know why I like the boodskap music. Because listen to this shit, bro. This is magical stuff, bro. This is like a dash of a little magical dash.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Magical. I don't know what I just said there, but wait. This is magical Bowens, bro.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Salute, ja. Is dit nodig om my kies te dira? Hier vaar ek groot
Salute, ja.
Yeah, Ethan is hesitating to come in, but the whole time Salutia is waiting for his time. He's saying Salutia because he doesn't know when his verse is coming in. Every time he wants to spit, when he says Salutia, he's about to spit, but then Joyce carries on with the hook. When Ethan's trying to spit.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But nah, I know Ethan's gonna destroy this one, go. Nah, he's gonna destroy this one.
Salute, ja.
Salute, ja. Ek dink is tyd dat ons die waarheid in die gesig staar. Ek evens vir 'n blinde is die sigbaar. Ek het weer
I think it's time that we look the waarheid in the face. I think it's time that we look the truth in its face. That, yo, go. I know where this is heading.
Kom wat is ek terug. Salute, ja.
Is dit nodig om my kies te dira? Hier vaar ek groot
Salute, ja. Salute, ja. Salute, ja. Salute, ja. Ek dink is tyd dat ons die waarheid in die gesig staar. Ek evens vir 'n blinde is die sigbaar. Ek het weer gekom wat is ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk, dis mekaar rond in 'n kus dra. 'n Klomp RIP skippers.
Yo, he came so far, but if he had to look back in time, You would see all what?
Maar die hart dink steeds dat ons die waarheid in die gesig staar. Ek ewens vir 'n blinde is die sigbaar. Ek het weer gekom wat as ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk, dis mekaar rond in 'n kus dra. 'n Klomp parai.
Jy sal sien al die kinders wat rond in die kus dra. What? Damn, go. Bro. I don't know whether to like vibe to this thing or feel like emotionally attacked, bro, because this is like so like, yo, go.
Peace dink steeds dat ons die waarheid in die gesig staar. Ek ewens vir 'n blinde is die sigbaar. Ek het weer gekom wat as ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk, dis mekaar rond in 'n kus dra. 'n Klomp parai peacekeepers, maar die hart van sy mammy is gerip, ja. In die trane van 'n ma sal jy verdrink, bra.
Ethan, bro. If no one gave you your flowers, bro, here's your flowers. Here's your flowers, bro.
$2,000 later.
Bro, this is so real, bro. This is like that real type of rap, that real hip hop that people need to hear, go. Damn, Ethan. Damn. I have to catch what you raise, yeah.
Jy sê mos hy so as ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk. Salute ja. Ek dink steeds dat ons die waarheid in die gesig staar. Ek ewens vir 'n blinde is die sigbaar. Ek het weer gekom wat as ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk, dis mekaar rond in 'n kus dra. 'n Klomp parai peacekeepers, maar die hart van sy mammy is gerip, ja. In die trane van 'n ma sal jy verdrink, bra. Jy sê
jou ma se hart is gerip, bra. Die trane van jou ma, laat jy verdrink, bra.
Ons hy so as ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk, dis mekaar rond in 'n kus dra. 'n Klomp parai peacekeepers, maar die hart van sy mammy is gerip, ja. In die trane van 'n ma sal jy verdrink, bra.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that. Enough to make a grown man cry.
Die trane van jou ma sal jy verdrink, bra. Yo, he's saying there, like, the amount of, what he's saying there is his mother's heart is broken, go. From all this, like, people that's passing away, or his child that just passed away, or this mother's child that just passed away and shit, the heart is broken, bro. It's in pieces, it's ripped in two, and her crying and stuff. The amount of tears that she's crying out, that she's pouring out of her face, you're drowning that. The amount of tears that come out of a Tanny's face when she hears that her son passed away or her son just got shot or something. You will drown in the amount of tears that is, my bro. Like San said, my problems is dalk triple in this year. Yo, bro. This shit.
Jou broer by hy haar kind, bra. Dis ek terugstaar. As ek sien hoe kal dit lyk, dis mekaar rond in 'n kus dra. 'n Klomp parai peacekeepers, maar die hart van sy mammy is gerip, ja. In die trane van 'n ma sal jy verdrink, bra. Jy sê mos hy jou broer by hy haar kind, bra. By jou is dit tot die dood, ek gaan jou mis, bra. Vir haar is dit veel dieper as wat jy vind, bra. Veel dieper as die guys wat in sy kring staan vir haar kind.
Yo, Ethan, no, Ethan, bro, Ethan. Yo, Ethan.
Van sy mammy is gerip, ja. In die trane van 'n ma sal jy verdrink, bra. Jy sê mos hy jou broer by hy haar kind, bra. By jou is dit tot die dood, ek gaan jou mis, bra. Vir haar is dit veel dieper as
until the day I die, I'm going to keep on missing you. I think he's talking about Junior King there, that he's going to miss so much. Because I'm not sure of other friends or family of Ethan's that passed away, but I know that him and Junior King were very close. Like, they were literally like brotherly close. So I have a feeling he's talking about his brother. I think he's talking about Junior King there, go. Yeah, no, bro. Till the day he dies, he's gonna keep on missing him. Damn. You know that your real brother, yeah. When, even though you are passed away, even though you're not here today, that bra, he's still gonna miss you and still remembers your memories and the things you've done together and shit. Like, I know Jody, man, will never get over Starboy Felix passing away. That is a death that's going to haunt him forever. Just like how Ethan Soul is probably getting haunted by Junior's death, and how K Medusa's getting haunted by his death and shit. So yeah, bro, It's a terrible thing to lose your loved ones or your friends, your close people. It's a very difficult thing, but hey, we all push through, Ethan. We all push through.
Jy vind bra veer dieper as die guys wat in sy kring staan. Vir haar kind sal sy alleenig teen die wind staan. Deur die storms, maar eendag sy by.
This shit is deeper than the friends that you are surrounding yourself with. This shit is deeper. This shit goes deeper than the friends that are in your corner, that are surrounded, like in your circle and bones.
Bra, by jou is het tot die dood, ek gaan jou mis bra. Vir haar is het veer dieper as wat jy vind bra. Veer dieper as die guys wat in sy kring staan. Vir haar kind sal sy alleenig teen die wind staan.
For sy kind, for a child, she will stand alone against the wind. She will stand alone against all that pressure. I think is meaning, eh? Like the wind means like the pressure, because you know when you walk against the wind, you're gonna blow all the way back. You're gonna be falling out your legs. You're gonna be walking like those models in those high heels and bones.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You know how their walking is. But damn though, that's a mother that loves you though. That like will walk through all the pressure and stuff, even though like you might be holding her back or something. She's still gonna be there for you. Nobody, if you fuck up or whatever, she's going to be there and love you and be that number one person in your corner. Damn, go. I fuck this meaning.
Deur die bra, by jou is het tot die dood, ek gaan jou mis bra. Vir haar is het veer dieper as wat jy vind bra. Veer dieper as die guys wat in sy kring staan. Vir haar kind sal sy alleenig teen die wind staan. Deur die storms, maar eendag sy by jou graf van jy kom gee haar blomme. Vir hoe sy opgestaan het elke oggend.
Damn, until one day you're gonna have to put that flowers by a grave. Damn, go. Damn. Damn.
Enough to make a grown man cry.
Damn.
Haar vir jou geweer gedok in elke skoffen. Vir haar kind soek sy net beter options.
She stood up so early and shit to go to work for you, to go make kroon for you and stuff. So you just have to show her that you can make better options for yourself. Damn, Ethan, I fuck with this, bro.
'n Saadplant sodat haar kind kan blossom. Bly in die skool vir wat kom lees die nommers. Hy lê hier in die stoffen.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy. I've been waiting for you to say this. I've been waiting for something like this to come out of your big Ethan souls. What's the use of going to school, of sending your child to school, if he's going to read numbers and Kualaka Jan in 26, 28, 27 missing bones? But the numbers he's supposed to be learning in school is accounting, math, and all of this bones. But he goes to school in bones just to learn how to be a 26 or to be a 27 in bones. That is so true though, bro. That is so true. And it's so messed up that a lot of our children in the northern areas, like I said earlier, are growing up in areas where they see people running in the street with guns and people are shooting here and shooting there. And they hear by their bride school, and they like in grade 4 and shit, and they hear by their friend that there was someone shot across the road here by the what's his place, by the graveyard and stuff. Bro, it is so sad, bro. It is so flippin' sad. You don't understand how sad that makes me, honestly. I wish I had the power, or I wish I had the kroon to actually do something, to actually make a change. If I was political leader, or like in the party leaders and bones, and like official party like the DA and stuff, and actually came into power, you would see how different PE would be, bro. If I was in power, if I was a president, Neko, every single area would look like Summerstrand, bro. It would be safer than Summerstrand, I would say. Because Summerstrand's also becoming dangerous now. But yeah, I would say I'll make that the whole entire PE, the most safest place in the world. It'll be the number one safest spot in the world. Ja.
Hy lê hier in die stoffen. Ek kom sê net daar's beter options.
Yo, yeah, this woman crying in the background. I have a feeling that's like a metaphor for this track, for like a mother that's like crying because a child is killed now and shit. I think that's like a metaphor thing for a child that like passed away now. Damn. I can just imagine this, bro. We need a music video for this. Always, if you're watching this, Ethan Stolz, Cecil Flit or Joyce, if you're watching this, bro, we need a fucking music video. Please give us a music video to this thing, bro. That would be a puss. Give us a music video for this thing, because I think your fans need a music video, bro. I need a music video for this because I have a picture of like what this crying is about, man. Like you know, menace to society. Don't be a menace while drinking soda in the hood. The one son was laying in the street, then the mother was crying over the child that just got shot now, saying, "Oh, my boy, oh, sweet Jesus, my boy, blah, blah, blah." But, yo, I feel like that is what that scene is depicting there, if I'm correct. Oh, wait. Yo, Owens, I must say, this is a phenomenal banger. Nah, this is magnificent. This is a magical track, bro. Like, I feel like Cecil Flit, in this picture, he's looking like an artist. He's not like a rap artist, It looks like a Picasso type of artist, but he's a Picasso artist in rap, I would say, in hip-hop. Specifically hip-hop, because I think there's more hip-hop than rap in PE. If I'm not mistaken, there's more hip-hop than rap. And if you Owens think the rap and hip-hop is the same thing, oh father, I'm gonna need to make a video to educate you guys on what is the difference between hip-hop and rap. But nah, Cecil Flit, this bro is painting like a picture with lyrics, bro. This man is like painting a picture about the northern areas and stuff, in a song form where people actually listen to it and actually get the boodskap on what's going on in the northerns. For those people that don't want to go into the northerns and stuff because of all the shit they hear, this is a track for you to understand what is happening and how these Owens actually feel about what is going on. And like this message is deep, and I fuck with this message. We need more tracks like this. Ethan Stolz and Joyce and Cecil Flit, we need an EP or something with you guys, like a duet EP, just you three Owens, nobody else, just you three Owens on each and every track, but with Joyce doing the hook or the chorus on every single track. That will be so dope, bro. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this reaction, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those notifications on, because I know you guys haven't turned it on.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you something. We don't care.
See all of you who watch my videos and who don't like it and who just scroll through it and who just comment and who just subscribe, unsubscribe. I see it all.
What an idiot. Oh, what a loser.
So don't think I don't see it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
But yo, if you guys enjoyed this one, like I said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn those notifications on. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. There's another banger with D-Dog, the GOAT.